Twinkle Tales.
Turtle walks at a steady pace, dreaming big in every race. Though he's slow, he never stops. Step by step, he always hops. Through the meadow, under sky, he lifts his head and moves so high. Past the rocks, through streams, he goes where the gentle river flows. At night, he rests beneath the stars, counting dreams from near and far. Slow and steady wins the race. Turtle smiles with gentle grace.